Difference between scalar quantity and vector quantity. A scalar quantity has magnitude only. A vector quantity has both magnitude and direction. For example, a distance of 10 kilometers is a scalar quantity, but a displacement of 10 kilometers towards north is a vector quantity. A speed of 5 meters per second is a scalar quantity, but a velocity of 5 meters per second 20 degrees relative to x-axis is a velocity. A mass of 1 kilogram is a scalar quantity, but a force of 9.8 newtons downward is a vector quantity. These are more examples of a scalar quantity: time, temperature, density, volume. And these ones are more examples of a vector quantity: momentum, electric field, angular velocity, and torque.